This is a 13th question. He gave that the midpoints of sides of a triangle ABC are D, E, F. Given that the coordinates of D, E, F are 5, 1, 6, 5, 0, 3 respectively. Find the coordinates of A, B, C. So to find out the coordinates of A, B, C, consider this one as x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is x3, y3. We discussed before, D is the midpoint of AB. So substitute in midpoint formula and solve it, you will get it as A vertex and B vertex. Here we can say that D is the midpoint of AB. So here D is equal to 5, 1, A x1, y1, B x2, y2. So what is the midpoint formula? What is the midpoint formula? Is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Substitute in formula. Here x coordinate and x coordinate both are equal, so we can write it as x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 5. So x1 plus x2 is equal to transpose 2, this side you will get it 5 into 2. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 10. Similarly, y quadrant is equal to y quadrant. So y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 1. y1 plus y2 is equal to 1. Transpose 2, that side it will get it as 2. So y1 plus y2 is equal to 2. If you observe, E is the midpoint of BC. Here we will get it as x2, x3, y2, y3. Therefore, from these two equations, find out x2 and y2. So x2 is equal to 10 minus x1. Here y2 is equal to 2 minus y1. Transpose y1, that side you will get it as y1. Take it as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. The midpoint of BC. So E is equal to 6, 5 and B value is x2, y2 and C value is x3, y3. Substitute in formula. So consider this one as x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Substitute in formula. x1 is x2 plus x2 means x3 whole divided by 2. y1 is y2 plus y2 means y3 whole divided by 2. So x quadrant is equal to x quadrant, y quadrant is equal to y quadrant. That means x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 6. y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 5. So transpose to that side, it will get as x2 plus x3 is equal to 2 into 6, you will get it as a 12. Now x2 value is in first equation. Take this value and substitute here. Then you will get it as in place of x2 substitute. So 10 minus x1 plus x3 is equal to 12. Transpose 10 that side, you will get it as minus x1 plus x3 is equal to 12 plus 10 changes as minus 10. So this can be written as x3 minus x1 is equal to 12 minus 10, which is equal to 2. Let us suppose equation 3. From here, y2 plus y3 is equal to 2. Transpose that side, it will get as 5 into 2, which is 10. Now in place of y2, substitute second equation, which is 2 minus y1 plus y3 is equal to 10. Transpose to that side, minus y1 plus y3 is equal to 10 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Which is equal to, this can be written as y3 minus y1 is equal to 8. Equation 4. So F is the midpoint of AC. F is equal to 0, 3 and A, consider A as x1, y1, C as x3, y3. So consider this one as x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So apply in formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Apply in this formula. So 0, 3. x1 is x1 plus x2 is x3 whole divided by 2. y1 is y1 plus y2 is y3 whole divided by 2. Now x quadrant both are equal, which is x1 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 0. Y quadrant equal, y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 3. Now 2 transpose that side, you will get it as 0 into 2, which is 0. So x1 plus x3 is equal to 0. Equation 5. y1 plus y3 is equal to 2 transpose that side, it will get as 2 into 3, which is 6. Equation 6. From here x3 is equal to, you can transpose x1 this side, you will get it as minus x1. Next y3 is equal to 6, y1 transpose that side, you will get it as minus y1. Now if you observe here, in place of equation 3, substitute x value in equation 3, then you will get x1 value. So x3 is equal to minus x1. Take this value and substitute in equation 3. Equation 3 is x3 minus x1 is equal to 2. So in place of x3, substitute minus x1. Minus x1 is equal to 2. Minus x1 means 2 minus 2x1 is equal to 2. So bring this to minus 2 that side, you will get it as x1 is equal to 2 divided by minus 2. Along with minus we can bring it. So 2 ones are 2, you get it as x1 is equal to minus 1. And take this x1 value and substitute in first equation, you will get x2. So x2 is equal to 10 minus x1, which is 10 minus x1 is minus 1, so minus of minus 1. 10 minus into minus is plus 1, which is equal to 11. So this is x2 value. Now same, take a x1 value and substitute in third equation, you will get x3 value. So x3 minus x1 is equal to 2. In place of x1, substitute minus 1. So x3 is equal to x3 minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 2. So x3 is equal to minus into minus plus 1 is equal to 2. Transpose 1 that side, you will get it as 3 is equal to, if you transpose the plus 1, you will get it as minus 1. So x3 is equal to 1. This is sixth equation. Take this sixth equation and substitute in fourth equation, you will get y1 value. So fourth equation is y3 minus y1 is equal to 8. In place of y3, substitute this one. 6 minus y1 is equal to 8. 6 minus y1 minus 1 minus 2y1 is equal to 8. Transpose this 6 this side, it has 2y1 is equal to 8 minus 6. Minus 2y1 is equal to 8 minus 6 is 2. Transpose minus 2 this side, you will get it as y1 is equal to 2 divided by minus 2. 2 gets cancelled. So y1 is equal to minus 1. Now take this y1 value and substitute in this equation, you will get y3 value, which is y3 is equal to 6 minus y1 value is minus 1, so keep minus 1 in the bracket. So 6 minus into minus, which is plus, so 6 plus 1 is 7, so y3 value is 7. So y1 value and substitute in second equation, you will get y2 value. So y2 is equal to 2 minus y1. 2 minus y1 is minus 1, so keep bracket. So minus into minus, which is plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So y2 value is 3. Here we got x values and here we got y values. Take all these values and substitute here, you will get a, b, c values. So a value, a quadrant of a is equal to x1 comma y1, which is x1 is minus 1 and y1 is minus 1. So these are the coordinates of a. Next, the coordinates of b, x2 comma y2. x2 value is 11 and y2 value is 3. So the coordinates of b are 11 comma 3. Coordinates of c, x3 comma y3. x3 is equal to 1 comma y3 is equal to 7. So the coordinates of c are 1 comma 7. So like this we can find out ABC, the vertices of ABC. If you like this video, please share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.